Welcome back, friends. In previous video I wrote the JavaScript and jQuery code for making this category sticky fixed over this top navigation bar. But I have after closing the video I saw that code and I tested it. Then I have found that I did some mistakes in that code. And I would like to inform you that this is a long website, a long course. So there will be done some mistakes by me and I will try to correct them at the same time to avoid from any ambiguity or any confusion. So for this purpose I checked that code. Now I come back to my code editor and I go to this custom.js page. First of all, this offset spelling is not right. So I correct its spelling. This is the right offset spelling. And secondly, in JavaScript, we did not put this $sign inside the parentheses, so it is only the scroll. So these two mistakes I have corrected, and now I write some more code here. $parentheses dot parentheses. As I said to you, there is no scroll bar here because there is no data here. Therefore, I could not test this, that whether it's sticky or not. And after closing the video, I put some data and then checked. So I have made this jQuery basic syntax again. And here I write window dot scroll function parentheses and curly brackets. Sticky nav parentheses. I show you this variable. This is that variable, this one, which is being called here. So now I refresh this page. So friends, this is the code which I missed. I have written, I forgot to call this variable here, which now I have called. I have shown you this one, which is the function one. After making this jQuery basic syntax window.scroll. If the window will be scrolled, then you run this function here inside it. So friend, now I show you the next work. If I come here and if I write here the wrong URL, for example, I remove the index and I write here HHH and I press enter, then you can see that this error is showing here. The page URL account you are looking is no longer available. So this kind of error is not showing here. If here I write this mistake, I write HHH and I BB, so here object not found is showing. So this the same kind of error should be shown here too. The same kind of this error right under this categories navigation bar. So for showing this kind of error, I come back to my code editor. So now I go to header.php. I close this page. Now there is no need of this page and this one also. So this is the header.php. And I come right at the bottom of this page. I make a div start and div close, and I assign it a class alert space alert dash danger text dash center. The default class is of bootstrap MB-0. So friend, I would like to explain that this MB mean margin bottom, M mean margin, B mean bottom 0, and heading 6. H6 main heading 6, text should be shown in H6 heading 6, and this is the bootstrap default class alert and danger is it is color. I show you this color is the danger color, and this box, this strip is showing due to that alert class. So now I comment it. Starts, and I would like to show you that the text is showing in heading 6. This text is showing in H6. Now I copy this command and paste it at the closing div. Ends. Now I make the I tag for showing the icon. FA space FA dash exclamation dash circle. This icon, I show you this icon. This is the explanation circle. This one. Now I copy this text. I have copied it here. Now I come here to the theme which is being made. So now you can see that this alert box and it is color is danger, and this text and explanation icon is also showing. So friend, now I go back to this demo theme and I show you that if I click or become a seller, so this model box is showing. Now I will begin my work over this model box. If I come back to my theme which is being made and I click or become a seller, then nothing is happening. So I begin my work over to showing this kind of model box. If anybody will click over here, I come back to my code editor and write inside the header.php and write at the bottom of this page. Once again, at the bottom of this page, I have made one more div. And assign it a class model space fade id register dash model. I would like to show you this is the id which has been targeted here, data dash target register dash model. When I made this anchor tag, then I explained to you that this id is giving here, but it will be called later on. So this is the second one also, register dash model. So I am calling it here. I am creating it here. Above I have targeted it. Tab tab index -1. Model fade starts, and here I write ends. Friend, tab index is equal to -1. It is actually the default code, class code of Bootstrap model box, which is helping indexing the data into the model box. But if you in this present age, often people don't use it, but in previous 6 months before or 8 months before in Bootstrap 3 we were bound to use it. But now if I delete them, then nothing will be happened. If I see it is need, then I will use it later on. But I think at this stage there is no need to write this code to extend this video or make it more larger. So I think this one is okay. Model fade starts and model fade ends. So in next video I shall come back and write my code, index this.